When Elon Musk started building the California Gigafactory 4 years ago with the hopes of mass producing an electric vehicle, he promised investors and consumers a $35,000 Model 3. When the Model 3 started rolling off the line, Tesla sold the higher end and thus more expensive ones first. This meant that the customers had to continue to wait. Finally, in February of 2019, a $35,000 Model 3 became available. This was the standard range vehicle with 220 miles of range and 5.6-second acceleration. Still very impressive and priced for the masses. This delighted customers that finally a $35,000 car was available. However, it was a bare bones model that didn't please everyone, especially Elon Musk. Within just a few months, the vehicle was moved off menu and became much more difficult to purchase. While Elon Musk made good on his promise, the vehicle didn't live up to his expectations. However, the standard range plus Model 3 became the standard. For just $37,990 today, the vehicle comes with all of the key features such as power trunk and autopilot. And although the price is just above where Elon had promised, the 263 miles of range gives the car much better bang for your buck. While the $35,000 Model 3 was the mass market vehicle that Tesla had aimed for and achieved, it's still far from Tesla's ultimate goal. There are millions of cars sold each year far below this price, and so if Tesla wants to hit the real mass market, they will need to come down much more in price. This is where Tesla's China factory comes into play. When Elon Musk first announced this factory, he also stated that China would have its own design center and will aim to produce a locally made vehicle for $25,000. The expectations for this vehicle was that it would hit the market in 5 years' time, especially since the team hadn't even been assembled. Over the last 2 years or so, Giga Shanghai has now been producing a lower cost Model 3 in China. And due to its success of the car and the success of the China team, it appears that they have sped up the production timeline of a $25,000 vehicle, according to new documents about the factory. To begin with, China has lower costs of labor, and now that they have more expertise in scaling quickly, Giga Shanghai appears to be on track to release a true mass market vehicle by 2022. According to Elon Musk's past comments, the vehicle should still have over 200 miles of range, which will make it far more compelling than the standard Model 3 ever was. Elon Musk has also said that the car would also run the self-driving software. This is good news for the global electric vehicle market, since China will likely be able to export a $25,000 Tesla-made vehicle much sooner than expected. And now that Tesla China has learned how to optimize not only the car, but the factory itself, they can likely pull out costs and hit the $25,000 price point without sacrificing functionality. At the same time, Tesla is planning to ramp up its own battery cell production, which should further help to greatly reduce costs and achieve this true mass market vehicle to help get the world off of fossil fuels. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for me. Thanks.